Hello, this is Lego Man 500. I'm gonna show you how to make a DJ. Actually, since. Okay, I'm gonna just take it apart. Come on. I'm gonna take that piece apart. This, because it's hard to take off. Okay, you'll need a piece, stereo, that, a stud piece, 2 stud pieces. You need the like the spin thing, this, spin it. You need like this kind of disc thing too, like for records. You need a one by one piece, a 2 by 1 piece, this stud thing, yeah. 2 by 4, 2 of them. You need 3 of the 3 by 3s. You need 2 of, actually 1, yeah, 1 of these. Now this is how you make it. You get the 3 by 3, put that spin piece on it, get the record thing, put it like that. And now get the other 3 by 3, put them by side, turn them upside down, get the 2 by 4, put it like this. Now the same thing with the other one. You like that. Now get the 2 by 1 by 2, put it on, be like just like that. Now get the stereo piece, put it right here. Get the stereo piece, put there, and get the stud piece, the other one, put it there. Get the other stud piece right here. Get the blue 1 by 1 or whichever color, and the flat 2 by 1. And that's how you make it. You can add another stereo piece. I can't find another one. So you can do another stereo piece if you want. And that's how you make a DJ by Lucas Fan 500.